Ever since we emerged from the wilderness, humankind has searched the world around them, seeking out the next summit, looking to crest the next hill, and in that discovery, that thirst for knowledge, to find a new land, we ultimately can stumble in our own folly.
I just realized I forgot my prescription eyeglasses in the car. So
how far away are we from the car right now, Mitch?
Too far.
You think we're too far away?
Too far. Too far
we'll
to
wait
go
for
get.
you.
I'm just gonna go with the sunglasses all night. I'm gonna have to do sunglasses and headlamps, so I apologize in advance, guys. Nighttime, man. You are cruising.
What?
What is happening, trail junkies?
I'm out here with Hoot on the trail.
And I'm still asleep.
You're still asleep. What are we doing today?
Hey, we're just going to go have gorge life.
Do a little gorge life here with
Gorge
backpacking
life.
with Jason.
Yes.
And of course, y'all probably know this guy.
It's Jeremiah Stringer.
Let's do it.
Down, off trail, searching, chasing for hidden waterfalls, even climbing up a small incline, wet with mud underneath. Even this simple climb could be treacherous, a shin buster, a knee buster. The way was slow going, but this paid off. Far from manicured trails and foot traffic, a tree split over a stream. The soft, gentle lapping of water. The streams were our guide. Rhododendron, constantly a challenge to stop our feet. Small streams snaking under fern-crowned grottos of rock overhangs. The way was slow and steady, constantly looking at GPS to make sure we were going to hit our mark, and a few breaks in between. It's hard to depict in video just how many hundreds of feet we descended to get to this place. We crossed slippery rocks, feet wet, eagerly submerged in streams. We would not be hindered. A peek at the lower falls. Rod did not get a shot to do it justice. Even from here, you could hear the voluminous amounts of water just pounding into the creek bed below. And up at the top, of the upper falls, you could hear and you could feel the water shaking the rock and ground beneath you, as it had for hundreds upon hundreds of years. And in this quad burning, stumbling moment, we make it down to our destination that backpacking with Jason was so generous to share with us.
It's killer, brother. Killer.
He was brave enough,
This is awesome stuff.
after years of planning, to finally meet me and my crew. I don't know if I would be so brave. The rushing water pounded around you in this space, much like an amphitheater or an arena. And there we were, just small little apes, amazed at this natural wonder. It's in these moments that you feel the most connected to the world around you. That even you, as a small ape, play a part in a much bigger and magical world. Now, many might know Hoot on the Trail, but do you know Hoot on Fire? Once he got the campfire going, it was at that time the cameras went off. It was at that time we laughed far for many hours into the night. This was easily one of the best trips I've had in a long time, with such an amazing payoff, with such amazing people. I hope we can do it again. Be bold. Be adventurous. Don't be afraid to go off trail. Get out there and explore.